What's up, Team T, baby? How are you guys doing? Right now, I am in my car because I have just pulled up onto my skin guy's office where I will be getting my second facial today. So a lot of you guys that ask me about skin, beauty care, all that stuff, and you guys know how much I love taking care of my hair, and my skin, and my nails, and my toes, and all that stuff, and how it's really, really, really important. Well, I'm here with my skin guy, which he's located in LA, Beverly Hills to be specific, and he is amazing, amazing. He does amazing work, and I came to him once for my first treatment, and we did like toning and basically like glossing my face, and I put it on Instagram if you guys follow me there, which I will put right here. Basically he made me look like I have a glow to me when I had like, because you don't do facials with makeup obviously, so it made it look like I had like this like natural glow, and he cleaned up my face and everything and put this mask on. I felt so good, and he also gave me some products. So now I'm back for round 2. I'm really excited about this one because he is going to be using this thing that sucks out like all the dirt and pores, and I'm really excited to show you guys because this is something that I think everybody, males, women, everybody, you guys all need this. Like going in and throughout the day, this is something that everybody needs to do because you get clogged pores, especially when you work out a lot like me, and you know, people all over the world, you work out and your pores are so clogged with dirt even if you wash your face 2-3 times a day. So I'm gonna go inside. I have an appointment right now, and I'm gonna show you guys, and you guys will see what we're about to do, and I will leave all his information below, so whatever area you're from, or if you're from the LA area, you have to come see my skin guy because he will fix your skin. Okay, so I'm about to go up and let's go. Alright, we are back with my skin guy. Introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? My skin guy, Johnny. We're about to do a hydration facial.
Yep. You guys need, no, I need this. I just explained to them that last time I came you made me glow.
Yes.
And so this time I'm about to get all the toxins sucked out of me. How's the skin looking?
Looks good. It's a little dry right now.
Yeah, it's weird because I use so much moisturizer, like twice a day.
My face.
Well, you don't want to see your face?
No, so you just can't see my face.
Hey, well, we need to see your face.
No, you need to see my face. Alright, cool. You good?
Yeah.
Right.
Where do you want this?
Back here. Tucking it up.
Like a new woman.
Yes.
Alright, so that was my juice for my face. Well, that's not all of it, right?
I mean, you have in there the solution that's going to be the hydration solution.
So does this look bad? Doesn't look too bad, huh?
But the little floaties in there are all the little black heads and the white heads.
No. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm about to head out. Shout out to my skin guy.
You're welcome.
Come see him. I'll put all his links below in the description.